will fall. But I hate the way they looking when the tears fall. So I keep a handkerchief to wipe the tears off.
Let the rain wash away the shame. For tomorrow we will build this city again. So let the rain wash away the stains. Let it rain. Let the rain wash away the shame. For tomorrow we will build this city again. So let the rain wash away the stains. Let it Let the rain wash away the shame. For tomorrow we will build this city again. So let the rain wash away the stains. Let it
I let the rain come down, I let it wash away anything in my path that could block my way. I'll be there in a flash, I'm a block away. There's a lot to ask, so there's a lot to say about the modern day, cause there's a lot of pain, so there's a lot of change, and there's a lot of slaves. But this is off the brain, so this is off the chain, and this is not a game, so I do not complain. And even if I did, it wouldn't be for this. I wouldn't seek revenge, I'm in it seeking friends. That's all my people is, I know that we resist, but that's what equal is, so I believe in it. A lot of people don't, so I'ma keep it going. A lot of people won't, and they don't even know it. Their problems even growing, and they don't even notice. So thank God I'm here, I might be gone at any moment.
Let the rain wash away the shame. For tomorrow we will build this city again. So let the rain wash away the stains. Let it rain. Let the rain wash away the shame. For tomorrow we will build this city again. So let the rain wash away the stains. Let it rain.
Now the rain is clear and my brain is clear. Then when I came in here and made my name in here, it's more than strange, it's weird how I stay sincere through the crazy years of my greatest fear. But I made it out way before I faded out, and I made it then way before I made it now. I had a plan in my mind before I played it out, before I make it to the sky and gold-plated house. And I'ma make the city rise where you living there. I might even save some lives where you living there. Might even change your mind if you're feeling bad, but I ain't even gonna mind if you give it back. Cause I'ma keep pushing until the wheels fall. I always keep a cushion, cause people will fall. But I hate the way they looking when the tears fall. So I keep a handkerchief to wipe the tears off.